Okay, today we are going to see the selections tool or selection menu in Adobe Illustrator, or how magic wand tool works. All right, we have here one magic wand tool, and also we have one tool here which is group selection tool. We'll see how this tool works. All right, so first let's create something. For example, I will just fill it. It's like one circle. I will alt and drag to create copy, and I will just fill it another color. Then I will copy one more and one more copy. I'll select this one. I will change its stroke color and I will change its width as well, like this. All right, and I will keep it same here. I will keep it same stroke. All right, but I will change its color to another like this. All right, again I will just copy, and same I will just select both of them. All right, but yeah, so I will change its color. It's width like this. All right, so here we have one tool which is called magic wand tool. Magic wand tool is used to select objects on your artboard with the different properties. Before this, just go to select menu, and here we have selections commands. First of all, we have select all, mean everything will be selected. Okay, I will just copy also something on the another artboard. Okay, for example, we have this artboard, and I will just change its color. For example, it's a gradient fill, right? And one more like this. Okay, I will copy, and this one. All right, I'll copy. So we have different shapes. Okay, we are just going to see how it's gonna work, right? Like this. Okay, so what I will do, I will just go to select and all. You will see everything on the document, whatever you have, no matter how many artboards you have. Look, we have artboard 1 and 2. Everything is selected. You can delete all also. All right, Control A is shortcut key for select all. All right, but next command is very amazing. It's called select all on active keyboard. Select objects all on active keyboard. Now which keyboard, which artboard is active? This artboard which you have clicked is active, right? Go select, and just here you can see also shortcut key Alt Control A. Just click. Now you will see the objects on active artboard will be selected. It's also very useful command. Same, you can select all, then you can do group, and you can align also like this if you want to do. All right, same, just click on this artboard. Okay, you can see this artboard is active now. Now you can go select and all on active artboard. All right, like this you can select. All right, if you have selected one object, okay, it's a group, I will just ungroup it. So you have selected this one object. Next what command is deselect. So you can use also Shift Control A, so it will make deselect. For example, if you have selected any objects, so you can just go select and just deselect. So all selection which you have made it will be deselected. If you want to select again, just you have to make reselect. For example, you have made a selection, then go to select and deselect. Then again, you can reselect also. All right, the selection which you have made it. And next we have which is called inverse selection. This is an important one and it's very useful. All right, for example, you have selected this one. This object you want to keep. All right, the rest of the object in your document you want to delete, so you have to make inverse selection. So I will select this object, so go to select and choose inverse. Right, when you click here, so it will leave that object which you have selected, and it will select all the rest of the object. Inverse selection. Now you can delete like this. It's very handy, right? For example, you can select this one. All right, then you can go select and just do inverse. So it will make selection of the inverse, whatever selection you have made it, right? It doesn't matter you have selected only one object. I have selected these 4 objects, then I select inverse. So inverse portion being selected. Now you can delete, you can move whatever you want to do. All right, undo, Control Z. Next we have this one is also very good command. All right, next object above. For example, just check the orders of the object which you have drawn. Like we have like this, a lot of objects we have, and they have different order. Now I will select this one and just go to select and next object above. So when you click, so whatever next object above of it, so it's gonna select. If you have layers panel, okay, open here and just open this panel and you will see here it will show you object which you have selected. For example, this object is selected now, so the top object is this, that's why it's selected. If you select this object, okay, just click here. Now this rectangle is selected, alright, and top of it this one. So from layers panel you can see which is top object. Now you can go to select and select next above object. So that object is above that object, so that will be selected. Again you have select and you can also select next above below, okay, next object below. You can click here, so next object below will be selected. So it's very handy when you are working in a complex drawing, right, and you want to avoid like clicking and selection, then you can just use these commands, alright. Next, this is also very important. You want to select object with the same properties. For example, look at here. You have this object. What do you want? I will just close this layer. So you want to select the object which has same appearance, like same color, same outline, same gradient, or whatever effects you have applied. So select this one, then go to select menu and same and appearance. So when you click here, the object which having same appearance, color, fill, stroke, effects, you want to select it. Alright, it will save you a lot of time. For example, you have made your drawing and you have like you or your client want this color should be changed, and there are hundreds of circle in your drawing. Then what you will do? You will select each and every one and you are going to change color? No, it will take a lot of time. So what you will do? Just select this one, then go to same, and here what do you want? We have a lot of properties. We have same appearance, blending modes, fill and stroke, fill color, opacity, stroke, a lot of properties you can match. If you want to match, look, for example, just look at here. This two circle has the same color but different stroke, right? So I want to select object which have same fill property. I want to ignore the stroke color. So then you will go select and here same and fill color. Alright, when you click fill color, so this both object has same fill color, gonna select it. Now you can change the color of the object like this. Alright, but if you want to ignore the stroke, but if you want to match same stroke and color together, alright, that's what will happen. Go to same select and here you have same and now fill and stroke. So when you click here, look, this object doesn't have this same stroke, that's why it's, yeah, if you click here, then this both has same color and stroke, then you can same, fill and stroke both will be selected. Alright, so it's very handy, it will expedite your work, the speed of work as well. Alright, and next you have, go to select and then you have same, if you have same opacity, same stroke color, stroke weight, alright, look, this one has a stroke weight 6 point, right, and I will change this one, it's also 5 point, I will change it to 6 point as well, and this one also I will change 6 point, alright, stroke like this, and this one is also 5, okay, I will select this one, now go select same and same stroke weight, and you click here, look, whatever object are having same stroke weight, gonna select it. So a lot of properties we have and you can filter as per your requirement. Same, click here and just go and same, select same and choose same weight stroke. Look, the same stroke weight because they have 5 point, so I'm gonna select it. Alright, okay, next what do we have? Then we have same, so these all properties you can change. For example, if you have graphic styles you have applied, you can also same and you can choose also same. You have stroke weight shape also, okay, if has. If you have applied graphic styles, for example, we have here graphic style, and if you have applied this one and like this, so you can also match this one, go to select and same, now graphic style, alright. Now it's going to select all the objects which you have used same graphic style, alright. Okay, next I'll go select and same, if and you can also select objects. Look, it's very useful. Look, all on same layers, okay, we have direction handle, we have British brush stroke, alright, Bristol brush stroke, you have brush stroke, clipping mask, alright, all text object, all point type object, area type object, alright. So you can select also, but shape we can select from here, like same shape, so it's gonna select its same shape, look, But you have all text or other type of object. For example, if you have text like this, okay, like this, here a lot of text you have, okay, then you can go select, and here you have objects and all text objects. Look, all text objects gonna select it. It's very handy, right? Then you can go object and you can hide, and selection, all text gonna hide. All right, then you can undo. Okay, then you have select. So object you can also select, okay, all kind of object if your document has, you can select. Okay, then we have one option which I like a lot, save selection. You can save your selection. You can select object and you can save their selection. Selection means, for example, you have selected this two objects, these blue color circles you have selected. So you want to select their, you want to save this selection. All right, what Adobe will do for you, okay, it will generate ID for these two shapes. It will generate ID for this shape, it will generate ID for this shape, and it will save it. All right. For example, here you can see the circle, all right, shape, and now it's saved. Now just move it here, move it here. Okay, now wherever you have, move it, no problem. Now Photoshop has already saved the selection, right, of these two circles. So if you go select, and here you have select circle selection which you have made it, and then click, so it will select the objects wherever they are, no problem. So you can generate, but it will generate the unique ID for this, and now you can move wherever, no problem. Again you will go, so you can save different selections. If you are modeling the character, right, you can save, it's like hand modeling, face, okay, so you can generate IDs for them, you can save selection anytime. All right, that's how you can use select menu in Adobe Illustrator. Same tool we have Magic Wand tool. Magic Wand tool also works same, but it's a tool. When you take this tool and click here, so you will see the object with the same properties gonna select it. But what properties it gonna match, just double click here, all right, on Magic Wand tool. Now you will see the options. So what we can do, we can fill color, we can match stroke color, stroke weight, opacity, blending modes. These all properties we can match, and here we can also specify tolerance, is how much you want to match. 20% means there will be 20% flexibility. If 0% means it will match 100% 0. All right. For example, you have fill color. Like for example, here you have fill, and here in another circle you have like fill which are like 20% unmatching, right? So you can also tolerance you can define. For example, if you will make 0 tolerance, okay, what I mean, for example, so I have this circle, I'll go to color and I will change just its some shades like this, all right, or I will just undo. So I want to change, just click here, shift click. So here just change a little bit like this, all right, only little bit I changed, right? So let's see what will happen if you have tolerance here like 30%, all right, like this. So if you click Magic Wand tool, look, 3 are selected. So there is tolerance for 30 units. If you make 0% tolerance, so it will match 100%. Look, this selection, this circle, not honest.
If you put 100, then everything will be selected.
Let's see, but yes, but yeah, but why use 100%, right? It's means which are falling in the range of this color, not everything, all right, but fall in this category, all right. Yeah, if it's 0%, no, I think we can keep it to 5% or 10%. So you can also match the stroke color. Look, only this object has the same stroke color. If you click, all has some same stroke color. Same, you can match also stroke weight. So same opacity. For example, these two objects, I will just reduce their opacity. Okay, click here and just reduce their opacity 10%. All right. Now if you click here and change just opacity, you can also match like this. Okay, you can just restrict. I want to match all properties. Okay, I will just click here, then Magic Wand and click. Now it's gonna select it. All right. So it's very useful command, and we use a lot. People ignore this one, but if you know the use of this magic wand, you can expedite your working speed. Next tool we have, which is called lasso tool. Okay, student also don't know lasso tool is used to select freehand. Okay, actually direct selection tool and the lasso tool are almost same. For example, if you have any shape, and you can take direct selection tool to modify path and select anchor point. Lasso tool is used to select freehand like this. If you want to select like this freehand. For example, if you have star shape from here, right? If you have star shape and you want to select the anchors of this in irregular shape, then go here lasso tool, and now you can select like this. Lasso tool is going to select it, and you can use direct selection tool and you can move, and it will save your time as well. Alright, so that's how you will use select menu and magic wand tool. Alright, most important, and by using this you can expedite your working speed. Alright.